Hello friends, Namaste and welcome. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. So today I am going to have a discussion of previous year questions and most important questions related to speed, time and distance. So let me tell you one thing. In this class, we are not going to start from the very basics, right? We are going to have a quick revision of the complete chapter, right? So when we are going to have a quick revision of the complete chapter, right? So the time span is less because this is a crash course, right? So in the crash course, or we can say capsule course, right? We are going to cover each and every concept in a quick manner, right? So thoroughly we have to complete all the concepts. So we are not going to go in very much detail, right? So we will do the questions, right? And we will make more and more practice. See, we will do more and more practice, right? So for this, I am going to start. Before I will start, I will say that this is the doubt window. So if you have any kind of doubt, so just put your doubt in the doubt window. And this facility is only available for those students who are taking class from the app only, right? So this facility is not available for all. So just consider it. And here we go. The first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. So with the question or through the question, I will tell you the basic concept also, right? But in basics class, we discuss the basic concept first, then we give the questions, right? So in crash course, we do the same thing with the help of questions, right? So that we can practice more and more. So the first question is, a plane flies a distance of 1800 km in 5 hours. What is the average speed in meter per second? See, when we have to calculate or we have to convert the speed from kilometer to meter per second, right? So we have to multiply by 5 by 18, right? So 5 by 18 is the multiplier factor. If we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, right? So we will have to multiply by 18 by 5, right? So my dear friends, you have to focus on this point, right? See, the question is saying a plane flies a distance. So what is the average speed? See, average speed is going to be total distance divided by total time, right? Total distance divided by total time. How much distance? So it is going to travel 1800, right? In what time? So it is taking 5 hours, right? So the speed is going to be kilometer per hour, but the question is demanding for meter per second. So to convert it into meter per second, we will multiply it by 5 by 18, right? So meter per second is a small unit, right? So we can say that in numerator I will get a small value, right? In denominator I will get big value. Got the point? So by this approach you can remember when you have to multiply by 5 by 18 and when you are going to multiply by 18 by 5, right? See, when we have to convert into a small unit means meter per second. So in numerator we will take a small value. When we have to convert the speed in big value or larger unit, right? So we will take big value or larger value in the numerator. So by this you can memorize or you can remember the fact, right? So we can say that by 18 it is cancelled 100 times and by 5 this is cancelled. So answer is 100 meter per second. So 100 meter per second, right? So D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Okay, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a bullet shoots 500 meter in 0.2 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? See, the speed is equal to what? Distance divided by time, right? So we have, what is the distance? Distance is 500. So it is in meter and time is in second, right? So we will get speed in meter per second. But the question is demanding, we have to give the answer in kilometer per hour, right? So when we have to convert in kilometer per hour, so then we will multiply by 18 by 5. Got the point? So the same thing I already told you, when we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, right? So we will multiply it by 18 by 5. Got the point? So why we are multiplying 5 by 18 and 18 by 5? I already told you. If you want to go in deep detail, right, how 5 and 18 and 5 by 18, 18 by 5 is coming, right? So for this, my dear friends, you have to watch the foundation class, right? Got the point? Because we cannot tell each and every detail here, right? So just remove the point and take into 10, right? So by 5 this is cancelled 100 times, and by 2 this is cancelled 9 times. So my dear friends, we can say that 9000, right, kilometer per hour is the right answer. Yes, so 9000 is the right answer. D dear devil is the right answer. Yes, D dear devil is the right answer. D dear devil is the right answer. Okay, D dear devil is the right answer. Okay, moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, 9000 is the right answer. A train running at a speed of 63 km per hour crosses a pole 24 seconds. See, when a train has its own length. When a train is going to cross an object which has no length, right? So my dear friends, in that case, train is going to cross itself, right? So in that case, the distance will be equal to the length of train. Okay, because the train is going to cross a pole. So this is the pole, right? So when I will say the train has come to pole, so this is the situation when the train will completely, right? So the last bogie of the train is in front of pole. So we can say that the train has crossed the pole, right? So to cross the pole, train has to travel or has to cross itself, right? So in that case, the distance is going to be equal length of the train. I think this is clear, right? So now what is the length of the train? See, so the length of the train is going to represent the distance, right? So we can say that distance is equal to length of train, and distance is equal to what? Speed into time. See, what is the speed? Speed is 63 km per hour, but time is in second, right? See, the time is in second and the speed in kilometer per hour. So we need to convert the speed in meter per second, right? So that's why going to multiply by 18, right? So you have to learn, my dear friends, when you have to multiply by 5 by 18 and when you have to multiply by 18 by 5, right? So I think this is very much clear. Take the time, that is 24. Okay. So by 6 this is 3 times, and by 6 this is cancelled 4 times. By 3 this is cancelled 21 times. So we can say that 21 into 5 into 4, 20. So 420 meter is the right answer. Yes, 420 meter is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? Yes, 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 Ashwin, very good. Prabha, you are right. MI Facts, you are right. Vaishu, you are right. Anup, you are right. Arvind, very good beta. That's great. Vaibhav, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, when train passes through a tunnel, right? When train is going to cross any object which has some length. So in that case, all the objects which are involved in crossing, if they have length, right? So the sum of all the objects which are involved in crossing will equal to the total distance. I hope this is clear, right? So here the train has length and tunnel is also having length. So we can say that distance is going to be length of tunnel plus length of train, right? So we can say that what is the speed? Speed is going to be distance upon time, right? So the distance is what? Take the length of train plus length of tunnel, right? Or you can directly write 1600, right? 350 plus 1250, 600, 1600, right? So you can write 1600 divided by what? 80, right? So we can say that 1600 divided by 80, right? So it is going to be 20, and this is 20 meter per second. See, focus on the option. So options are in kilometer per hour. So I need to convert it, right? I need to convert it in kilometer per hour. So 20 we have to convert into big unit, right? So take the big number first. I hope this is very much clear. By 5 this is cancelled 4 times. So 18 4 the how much? 72, right? Kilometer per hour is the right answer. So we can say that B part is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? Yes. So now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. A train 348 meter long is running at a speed of 36 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 50 seconds. What is the length of the bridge? Now tell me what is the answer. See, I have included each and every type of question, whether they are easy, moderate or tough, right? Because question is coming, right? If I focus on current main exam, right, and current exam, right? So all type of questions are coming. We cannot say that every time you will get very tough question. No, my dear friends, many times you get easy questions, you get moderate question, and sometimes you get the tough question, right? So I have included each and every kind of concept, each and every type of questions in this class, right? So till end you will feel each and every feeling, right, to do the all type of questions. So tell me what is the answer for this question. A train 348 meter long is running at a speed of 36 km per hour. It crosses a bridge in 50 seconds. See, it crosses a bridge in 50 seconds. Okay, focus on this. What is the length of the bridge? We know that distance is going to be length of train plus length of bridge. Okay, and distance is what? Speed into time. So we can say that length of train is how much? 348 plus length of bridge is equal to, what is the speed? Speed of the train is 36, right? And into, it is in kilometer per hour, so converted in 5 by 18 meter per second. So into time is how much? 50, right? So just calculate it by 18, it is cancelled how much time? 2 times. So we can say that 348 plus length of bridge is equal to 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 50. So it will become 500. So length of bridge is going to be 500 minus 348. So we can say that 251, right? So 152 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all. Yes, very good. Great guys, great. You all are great. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, a 750 meter long train crosses a stationary pole in 15 seconds. Traveling at the same speed, this train crosses a bridge completely in 25 seconds. What is the length of this bridge? What is the length of this bridge? See, a 750 meters long train crosses a stationary pole in 15 seconds. When a train is crossing a stationary pole, it means it is running equal to the distance of itself. So we can say that the distance is going to be length of train. Okay, so it is running equal to the length of its own, right? So we can say that distance is going to be length of train, right? A 750 meter long train. Also we have, so we can say that speeds, right? So speed of train is what? Distance divided by time, right? So we have distance how much? 750. What is the time? Time is 15. So we can say that speed is going to be how much? 50 meter per second. Okay. Now traveling at the same speed, this train crosses a bridge completely in 25 seconds. What is the length of this bridge? See, so we can say that here length of train plus length of bridge is going to be what? Right? So speed into time. Time is what? So we can say that length of bridge is going to be, because length of train is what? 750. So we can say that 25 into 5, 125, right? 0 minus 750, right? So we can say that length of bridge is going to be 500, right? So 500 meter is the right answer. Good question. So D part is the right answer. Yes, D part is the Right answer. Very good. Very good. You all are right. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, two trains, one 125 meter and other 375 meter long, are running in opposite direction. If they are going in opposite direction and both are running, so the concept of relative speed is going to be used here, right? So we can say that at a speed of 81, 63, so how much time will they take to cross each other? See, if they are going to cross each other, right, so time is going to be distance, or we can say total distance divided by relative speed, because both are moving, right? So we can say that distance is going to be 125 plus 375, right? So 125, 375, it is going to be how much? 500. Okay, just divided by. So we can say that they are moving in opposite direction. See, so we will take 63 plus 81, right? So we can say that how much? 4, 144. So directly we can use 144 into 5 by 18. Why 5 by 18 multiplying? Because distance in meter and speed must be in kilometer per hour, right? Speed must be in meter per second, right? Not in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert the speed in meter per second, right? So we can say that 500 into 18 will go to the numerator, right? So 144 into 5, right? So by 5 this is cancelled 100 time, and by 18 this is cancelled how much? So we can say that 8 time, right? So 18 8 ja 144, right? So we can say that 12.5 second is the right answer, okay? So 12.5, C part is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. Very good. C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, see, two trains 140 meter and 120 meter in length are running in the same direction. Now they are running in the same direction, okay? So at the speed of this, in how much time will they completely cross? So we can say that the time is going to be, now directly we can say that the total distance is how much? 260 divided by, take the difference of speed, how much? 18, right? Into 5 by 18. So we can say that 18 got cancelled. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 52 second is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So we can do all these questions very smoothly, right? So moving to next, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Two trains P and Q of length 320 meter and 540 meter respectively are running in the same direction on parallel tracks at 108 km per hour and 144 km per hour respectively. How much time will the train take to cross each other completely? See, these are the easy questions. I have taken easy questions first just to revise the concept, right? What are the concept of relative speed, in same direction, opposite direction, right? So after getting through the basic question or easy question, so we will see the moderate and we will also see the tough question, right? So just wait till end. Okay, so two trains P and Q of length 320 meter and 540 meter respectively are running in the same direction on parallel tracks. How much time will they train to cross each other? See, the direction is how much? Same. So directly we can say that distance is how much? Just make addition, 860 divided by, take the difference. How much is the difference? So we can say that 36 into 5 by 18, right? So in single line we can do this question. So time is going to by 2 time. So by 2 this is cancelled, 430, right? So just 430 divided by 5. 5 8 ja 40 and 5 6 ja. So 86 second is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So in single line we can do this question, yes. In single line we can do this 56. I think 56. Sorry, 86, not 54. How 54? Okay, sorry. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, this is the moderate question. Now do this. Now we are jumping to the moderate one, right? Yes. Yes, please. See, a train 75-meter long overtook a man. See, a train is overtaking a man. Overtaking. When see when overtaking places happen, right? When you are overtaking someone or any object is overtaking other, right? So overtaking only takes place when both objects are moving in same direction, right? When they are not in same direction, so they will not overtake each other. Got the point? So the concept of overtaking only takes place when objects are moving in the same direction. So need not to clearly define. The word overtook itself defined that the both objects are in same direction. A train 75 meters long overtook a man who was walking at the rate of 6 km per hour, passed him in 18 seconds. Again, the train overtook a second person in 15 seconds. At what rate was the second person traveling? Yes, please. See, so we can say that the distance is going to be 75. A man who was walking at 6 km per hour passed him in 18 seconds, right? In how many seconds? In 18 seconds. So again train overtook a man. So we can say that, see, we can say that simply the relative speed, see, relative speed is going to be distance divided by time, right? So we can say that the speed of train minus speed of man. So speed of man is how much? Speed of man is how much? 6 km per hour. So we can say that distance is how much? 75. And what is the time? Time is 18 seconds. See, right hand side is providing us speed in meter per second, but left side is saying speed in kilometer per hour. So just equalize the unit or make it at par. We are going to multiply by 5 by 18, right? So now the speed in relative speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, so we can say that 18 cancelled by 5, this is cancelled 15 times. So we can say that speed of train is going to be 15 plus 6, that is 21 kilometer per hour. Is this clear? Yes. So the first case is clear. Second case, right? So second case, the question is saying what is the speed of the second person, right? So we can say that speed of train minus speed of man 2, right? Relative speed is going to be distance. How much distance? 75, right? How much time? Now 15. So we can say that, see, here is what? 21 minus speed of man 2 is going to be, just convert it into 15 by 18 by 5, right? So we can say that 15 5 is 75 is equal to 18, right? So we can say that speed of man 2 is going to be 21 minus 18. So we can say that 3 km per hour is the right answer. Good question, right? So if the concept is clear, you can do this question. Otherwise, many students get entangled and they are not able to solve this, right? Yes, overtaking means same direction. Yes, overtaking always take place in the same direction. Yes. So moving to next question. Yes, my dear student, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a car covers a certain distance at a speed of 56 km in 12 hours. How much time it will take to cover the same distance at a speed of 84 km per hour? See, same distance. So we can say that a car covers a certain distance at a speed of 56. So what is the speed? So we can say that 56, time is 12. So distance is how much? So we can say that 56 into 12. This is going to be the distance. If we have to cover the same distance at a speed of 84, right? So distance divided by speed, so we will get the new timing, right? So time is going to be how much? So we can say that by 12, 7 time, and by 7 it is going to be 8 hours. So 8 hours is the right answer. See, so we can solve this question. So now I have to tell you one thing. When the distance is same, right? When the distance is same, so we can say that speed is inversely proportional to time. So we can say that if the ratio of speed is what? Initially it was 56, now it is how much? 84. Okay. So now tell me, what is the ratio? So we can say that by 28 it is cancelled 2 times, by 28 it is cancelled how much time? 3 times. So we can say that the ratio of time is going to be 3:2. So initially it is taking 12 hours. So 3 is equal to 12 hours. How much time? 4 times. So we can say that now it will take 4 unit time. So we can say that 8 hours, right? Got the point? So this is the basic concept, right? No doubt this is a basic question. So you can do this in single line also, right? So now tell me, what is the answer for this question? A person walked at 14 km per hour instead of 10 km per hour. He would have walked 40 km more. The actual distance traveled by him. Tell me, what is the actual distance traveled by him? So we have to calculate the actual distance. See, when we have extra distance or extra time, so we can say that time is going to be equal extra distance divided by extra time. So we can say that extra speed, right? So extra distance is how much? 40. What is the extra speed? Initially 14, now 10. So we can say that 4, right? So the time is going to be 10 hours, right? So distance is equal to speed into time, right? So what is the speed? The actual distance. So what is the actual? A person walks 14 instead of 10. So actual distance is what? 10. Actual speed is what? 10. So 10 into 10, right? So we can say that 100 kilometer, okay? So we can say that actual is 100, right? Yes. So 100 is the right answer. 100 is the right answer. So this is the another basic concept. Even we can do the same question with the ratio approach, right? So we can say that the change speed is 14 and initial or original speed is what? 10, right? So the ratio of speed is this. So what is the ratio of time? So we can say that, see, the concept is the time is same, right? If the time is same, so we can say that the ratio of speed is going to be ratio of distance, right? So this is equal to ratio of distance also, right? So we can say that the difference is what? Difference is 4, right? Or if you want to take the ratio, you can, right? So by 7 times and this is 5 times. So difference is what? 2. So 2 is equal to how much? 2 is equal to 40. So how much time? 20 times. So actual distance is also into 20, right? So we can say that 100 kilometer. So you can also use ratio approach here, right? So ratio approach is also valid here. So both concepts are valid, both approaches are good. Tell me, what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. See, walking at 60% of his usual speed, a man reaches destination 1 hour 40 minutes late. See, 1 hour 40 minutes late. So we can say that usual speed and change speed, right? Walking at 60% of his usual speed. If usual speed is 100, now the change speed is what? So we can say that this is the ratio of speed. Now what is the ratio of time? So ratio of time is going to be getting reversed. So we can say that 3:5, right? So usually late. So initially it is taking 3 unit. Now it is taking 5 unit. How much delay? So 2 unit, right? Right? So 2 unit is equal to how much? 1 hour 40 minute. 1 hour 40 minute means 1 hour 40 minute means 100 minute, right? Is this clear? 1 hour 40 minute means 100 minute, or you can say that 1 hour 40 minute is going to be 1 plus 2 by 3, right? So we can say that 5 by 3 hours. It's up to you. If you want to take the time in minute, you can. If you want to take the time in hour, you can, right? So we can say that 5 by 3 hours, right? So 1 unit is equal to 5 by 3 hours. Now tell me what is the value for 3. So we can say that 5 divided by 6, right? So it will become 5 divided by 6. So we can say that just multiply it 5 by 6. So 3 into 5 by 6. So I will get by 3, this is 2 times. So 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. Yes, is this clear? So we can say that B part is the right answer, yes. Okay. See, if the concept is clear, so we can use the same technique in a fraction mode, right? So we can say that, see, I can just say that 60% means what? 60% means 3 by 5, right? So we know that if the distance is same, right? So it is the usual speed and it is the change speed, right? So it will become the change time and it will become the usual time, right? So we can say the difference is how much? 2. So 2 is equal to what? 100 minutes. So we can say that how much time? 50 time. So 2 is equal to what? So 3 is equal to what? 3 into 50. So 150 minutes. It will take 150 minutes. So 150 minutes is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours, right? So we can say that. So it's up to you how you are using the approach, right? Yes. Okay. Okay, am I facts? Okay. See, walking at 60% of his usual speed, a man reaches his destination 1 hour 40 minutes late. See, 1 hour 40 minutes late, it means if the usual speed is 100, so the change speed is going to be what? 60, right? So we can say that the ratio of speed is 5:3. So the ratio of time would become 3:5 because speed is inversely proportional to time. When the distance is same, the speed is inversely proportional to time. Yes? Tell me, brother, is this clear? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, these are the conceptual question, right? When I think the question is moderate or tough, I give time, right? So when the questions are easy, so usually I give very less time because no need to take more than 10 or 15 seconds, right? Okay. So if you want to take the time, you can. Okay. Yes. And after the class, you will get the video of this class by the after 1 or 2 hours, right? So you can watch or you can see this class n number of times. Okay. See, walking at 3 by 4th of his usual speed. Walking at 3 by 4th of his usual speed, a person reaches his office 18 minutes late, right? 18 minutes late. If he is 18 minutes late, what is the usual time? So I can say that walking at 3 by 4th of his usual speed. So we can say that this is usual speed, this is change speed, right? So we can say that this is change time and this is usual time, right? Because they are inversely proportional. need not to write like this 3:4 and 4:3, right? So this is usual and this is changed. So this is ratio of speed and this is going to be ratio of time. So need not to write this. If I can do this in just single line, right? So we can say that I will be get late by 1 unit, right? So 1 unit is how much? 18 minutes, right? So what is the usual time? Usual time is going to be 3 units. 3 into 18. So we can say that 54 minutes is the right answer, right? So we can do this question in just 2 and 3 seconds, right? So directly we can say that B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Okay. Now tell me, my dear friends, what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. Amrita travels from her house at 3.5 km/h and reaches his school 6 minutes late, right? The next day, she travels at 4.1/2 km/h, reaches her school, right? See, so we can say that the ratio of speed is what? So 3.5 can be written as 7/2, right? And 4.5 can be written as 9/2. So we can say that the ratio of time is going to be just invert it, right? So 9:7. 1/2 get cancelled, right? So we can say that how much is the gap? So gap or difference is going to be 2 units, right? So what is the time gap? See, 6 minutes late and 10 minutes early. 16 minutes late. So time gap is given by late plus early time, right? Late plus early time. So late plus early time is going to be 16 minutes. So we can say that 2 unit is equal to 16 minutes, right? So 1 unit is equal to 8 minutes, right? So we have to calculate the distance. See, so what is the actual? See, the actual time taken by, or we can say the time taken by initial speed, right? So this is initial and this is changed. So we can say that the time is going to be 9 into 8, 72 minutes, right? 72 minutes. See, the distance is equal to what? Speed into time. Speed is what? 7/2 in km/h. So make the time in hour, right? Just divide by 60. So we can say that, see, by 12 this is cancelled. 6 times this is 5 times, by 2 this is 3 times. So we can say that 21/5, right? So 5 4s are 20 point and 5 2s are. So 4.2 kilometer. 4.2 kilometer is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Yes, very good question. D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D Daredevil is the right answer. So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, yes, I can explain, Ashwin. See, the question is saying that Amita travels from her house 3.5 km/h and reaches school 6 minutes late, and next day she travel at 4.5 km/h. See, the same distance is being traveled by different speeds, right? In first case, she reaches 6 minutes late, and in second case, she reaches 10 minutes early. Got the point? So we can say that if the distance is same, in that case, speed is inversely proportional to time, right? So with the help of speed, we will get the ratio of speed, and when we invert it, right, when we take the inverse of speed, so we will get the ratio of time, right? So here we can say that the difference of both time, 6 minutes late means t plus 6, right? 10 minutes early, t minus 10. So the gap of both timing is going to be 6 plus 10, 16 minutes, right? So we can say that here 2 unit is equal to 16 minutes. If 2 unit is equal to 16 minutes, so 1 unit is going to be 8 minutes, just using the unitary rule, right? So we can say that the time taken at the speed of 7 by 2 kilometer per hour or 3.5 kilometer per hour, right, is going to be 52 minutes, right? So at this speed, it is taking this much of time. So what is their distance? So distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, is this clear? I hope this is clear now. See, if such concept is not clear, so this is my personal request. You should go for foundation classes, right? You should go for foundation classes, because this is the very basic concept, right? When you are preparing in a nutshell or in a crash course, right? So you must be aware of this, right? If you are not aware of this, so you must take the foundation classes, right? Okay. So moving next, tell me what is the answer of this question. A train running at 7 by 11 of its own speed reaches a place in 22 hours. How much time could be saved? See, so we can say that 7 by 11, the distance is same. The distance is same, so I'm not going to take my waste time, right? I'm not going to waste my time, right? So I can say that if this is the original or usual speed, right? So this is going to be the change speed, right? So we can say that this is going to be change time, or sorry, this is going to be usual time or original time, and this is going to be change time, right? So how much late? So it is late by 4 unit. It is late by 4 unit. Initially it is taking 7 unit time. Now it is taking 12 hours. Sorry, 11 unit time. So how much late? 4 unit late, right? See, the question is saying a train at 7 by 11 of its own speed. It means it is a change speed, right? So what is the change time? 11 unit. In actual it is 22 hours, right? So we can say that 11 unit is equal to 22. How much time? 2 time. So we can say that 1 unit is equal to 2 hours. So it is late by 4 unit. So 4 into 2. So we can say that 8 hours is the right answer. See how beautifully, in how less time I can calculate. I can do this, right? So this is the right answer. So 8 hours is the right answer. Yes, 8 hours is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. A man can reach a certain place in 30 hours. If he reduces his speed by 1 by 15th, he comes 10 km less in that time. Find his speed in kilometer per hour. Find his speed in kilometer per hour. See, a man can reach a certain distance in 30 hours. If he reduces, see, 1 by 15. So here I can use, so this is the reduced, right? This is the reduced unit or diminished, we can say. Right? So we can say that, see, 10 km less in that time. In that time is time is same. Here time is same. See, if time is same, so we can say that ratio of speed is equal to ratio of distance, right? So this fraction is going to be tell you the distance also. If this is the original distance, right? So we can say that this is the reduced or diminished distance. Yes. So now 10 km less. So directly I can say that if my concept is clear, so need not to do anything. So 1 is equal to 10. So we can say that 15 is equal to what? So we can say that 150 kilometer, right? So this is the original distance, right? Find the speed. Now time is what? 30 hours, right? Time is what? 30 hours. So we can say that speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 150, time is 30. So 5 kilometer per hour, right? So without wasting my time, I can say that in just one or two line, 5 kilometer per hour is the right answer. Yes, 5 kilometer per hour is the right answer. I hope this is very much clear to you all, right? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. So you can say that again, simple concept, already told you 3 by, right? So 20 minutes late, right? So this is what? Change the time. And this is original time, right? Or usual time. So directly I can say that how I'm using this, I already told you, right? How and why I'm taking this, right? So 1 is equal to 20 minutes. So I can say that usual time is going to be into 20, right? 60 minutes. So 60 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Very good question, right? Answer of this question, very good question. In covering a distance of 30 kilometer, Abhay takes 2 hours more than Samir, right? Abhay takes, see, if Samir take T time, right? So Abhay is going to take how much? T plus 2 hour, right? If the Abhay doubles his speed, so I am taking the ratio of speed for Abhay. So point of study is Abhay, right? So the speed, so we can say that doubles his speed, so 1:2, right? So the time going to be just change 2:2, right? So this is initial and this is final. So this is initial and this is final. So 1 hour less. So now Abhay is going to take 1 hour less T minus 1. So what is the difference of time? So the difference of time is going to be 3 hours, right? So we can say that here the timing difference is 1 unit. 1 is equal to 3 hours. So normally Abhay is taking how much? 3 into 2, 6 hours, right? So Abhay is taking 6 hours. Abhay is taking 6 hours, right? So the question is Abhay speed. What is the speed of Abhay? See, the speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance is how much? 30. Time is how much? 6. So we can say that 5 km per hour is the right answer. Very good question. Very good question. So we can say that 5 km per hour is the right answer. Yes. So whenever you have to take the difference, so more and less just add. So directly you can say that 2 plus 1, 3 hours is the difference, right? So no need to do this calculation, right? If you have understanding, so you can directly do this question. If it is not clear, then watch it again. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, a thief steals a bag from a car at 3 p.m. and runs at a speed of 50 km per hour. If the thief's position is detected at 4 p.m. So if the thief's position is detected at 4 p.m., it means thief got 1 hour to run, right? See, thief steal the things at 3 p.m., right? So the theft was taken place at 3 p.m. or theft was took at 3 p.m., right? And it was revealed. It was revealed at 4 p.m., right? It means that how much time thief got? Thief got 1 hour, right? So in 1 hour, so the speed of the thief is 50. So we can say that 50 into 1, right? So the chasing distance is going to be 50 kilometer, right? And his owner follows him with his car at 70 kilometer per hour, right? So the time is after 4 p.m. plus, or we can say after 4 p.m. it is going to be 50 divided by relative speed. What? 70 minus 50, right? So we can say that by 20, so this is going to be 4 p.m. plus 2.5 hours, right? So we can say that at 6:30 p.m. the owner will catch the thief, right? The owner will catch the thief at 6:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m. the owner will catch the thief, right? Yes, owner will catch the thief at 6 p.m. See, so we can say that the chasing time is can be calculated by chasing distance divided by relative speed, right? Relative speed. So in case of chasing concept, right, we always use relative speed concept. Tell me what is the answer for this question. A thief is 400 meter ahead of a policeman. The thief sees the policeman start running. The policeman immediately starts chasing him. If the speed of the thief is 10 km per hour and the speed of the policeman is 15 km per hour, okay, 10 km per hour, 15 km per hour, then what distance did the thief cover? What distance? See, what distance did the thief cover before being caught? Before being caught by the policeman. Before being caught by the policeman. Now tell me how much time thief got to travel. See, what is the chasing? So chasing distance is 400. So we can say that time is what? Time to run by thief or policeman can be calculated by chasing distance divided by relative speed. Relative speed is what? 15 minus 10, 5, right? So it is in meter, it is in kilometer per hour. So convert it in 5 by 18. So we can say that by 5 this is cancelled 80 times, and by 5 again 16 times. So 16 into 18, right? So this is the chasing time and we got it in second, right? Say, so what distance? So we can say that the distance is going to be 16 into 18 second. The speed is what? The question is asking distance traveled by the thief, right? Distance, what distance did the thief cover, right? So we are going to take the speed of thief only, right? So the speed of thief is what? 10 into, just convert it in meter per second because time is in second, right? Yes. So 18 cancelled. So we can say that the distance is covered 16 into 5, 80 into, so we can say that 1800 meter is the right answer, okay? So B part is the right answer, yes. B part is the right answer. Very good question. Very good question. Very good question. Okay. So moving ahead, tell me what is the answer of this question. So you can try this question on your own. I have already covered this concept. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Without stoppage, a train travels a certain distance with an average speed of 80 km per hour. With stoppage, it covers the same distance with 60 km per hour. What is the time? See, how much less? So it covered, so how much less? In 1 hour, it covered 20 km less, right? So the time taken to cover the 20 km with initial speed is going to be waiting time. So just 20 divided by 80 into 100. So we can, into 60 because case of 1 hour, right? So we can say that the 15 minute, right? So 15 minute is going to be the stop time, right? So directly what is the formula? So we can say that original speed, original minus change, or we can say speed without stoppage or speed with stoppage. We can also write speed without stoppage minus speed with stoppage divided by speed without into 60, right? So this is the direct formula. Okay, without minus with divided by without speed, right? So now tell me what is the answer of this question. So just take the 60 and how much? 54. So 60 minus 54 divided by 60 into, right? So we can say that 6 minutes is the right answer. Got the point? I hope this is very much clear. Okay. So see, so we are not having time. So try these questions on your own. So these are your homework, right? So that's why I was taking in, see, so direct formula for this, speed of, see, two trains, speed of A divided by speed of B is going to be, so this is the short formula, time taken by B after meeting divided by time taken by A okay. So just use this formula to do this question. Okay. So A start, they take 4 hours 48 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes to reach Y end, right? So we can say that the ratio for A and B, right? So just do this question on your own. So try these questions on your own. So these are very, very good questions. So this is all from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Jai Hind.